Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes laptop plugged in but not charging 3 easy fixes. First method is device diagnostic troubleshooting. Second method is update battery driver. Third method is uninstall battery driver. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.